Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simplify your life with Format Painter. Let's get started. I've got a sample table that shows students' exam scores. As you can see, the formatting is inconsistent throughout the table. I could change the formatting of all the cells one by one, but the Format Painter is a much easier solution. Let's begin with the exam dates in column C. As you can see, the date formats, alignment, and fonts are all different. I'd like to make them look like the date in cell C3. I'll begin by selecting cell C3, and then at the upper left of the Home ribbon, I'll click on the Format Painter. Once I do, I can apply all the formatting from cell C3 to the other rows. I'll now highlight C4 and hold and drag to the remaining rows, and now all of the dates have the same format. I should point out that when you click on the Format Painter, it only works once whether you apply it to one cell or a range of continuous cells like I just did. However, if you double-click on the Format Painter, it will stay active as long as you need. To demonstrate, I'll select the first grade in cell E3, and then double-click the Format Painter. Some of the grades are formatted how I would like them, but the rest are non-continuous, so I can't easily drag to highlight them all. Since I double-clicked the Format Painter, I can apply the formatting to the cells that need to be changed. Once you're done, you will need to click on the Format Painter button again, or it'll keep applying the formatting on any cell you highlight. The Format Painter also works on the styling options like colors and fonts. For the heading of the grades, I could change the fill-in font colors manually, but it's much easier to highlight the score heading in cell D2, click on the Format Painter, and then click on the grade heading in cell E2. Now the heading has the proper fill color and font attributes. As you can see, the Format Painter will save you a great deal of time in your work. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps share my videos to others who are interested in Microsoft Excel. And as always, if you have any suggestions for video topics, please comment below. Thanks for watching and have an excellent day.